Good morning, everyone. Come to problem 7 of line integral in integral calculus. So here is the problem. Show that integral x square dx plus xy dy equal to 0 along C, where C is the arc of the circle x square plus y square equal to 1 from 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 1. So given integral solution. Given integral is integral along C x square dx plus xy dy. Here C is the arc of the circle x square plus y square equal to 1 ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఎక్కడికి from 1 comma 0 to 0 comma 1. So here the curve is only one arc of the circle x square plus y square equal to 1 ఇంతవరకే. అంటే ఇక్కడ 1 comma 0 to 0 comma 1. Here the curve is not totally the total circumference of circle, only one part. Okay, ఇంతవరకే ఇచ్చారు. Now consider the parametric equations of x square plus y square equal to 1. ఏమిటవి? The parametric equations, బట్ని తీసుకోండి. The parametric equations of x square plus y square equal to 1 are ఏంటవి? x equal to cos theta, y equal to sin theta, where here theta equal to only one arc from 1 comma 0 to 0 comma 1 కాబట్టి the curve lies in only first quadrant. So in first quadrant angle is 90 degrees అంటే pi by 2. కాబట్టి theta from 0 to pi by 2. Okay. Now x equal to cos theta అన్నారు కాబట్టి dx equal to cos derivation తో minus sin theta d theta, y equal to sin theta అన్నారు కాబట్టి dy equal to cos theta d theta, and theta varies from theta is from 0 to pi by 2. Theta varies from 0 to pi by 2. So therefore integral along C x square dx plus ఎంత xy dy equal to integral ఇక్కడ x అంటే cos theta, x means cos theta, so x square అంటే cos square theta into dx means minus sin theta d theta plus x into y. X means cos theta, y means sin theta into dy అంటే only cos theta d theta. Cos theta d theta, here theta varies from 0 to pi by 2, that equal to integral theta equal to 0 to pi by 2 minus sin theta into cos square theta, take theta common, plus cos theta into cos theta means cos square theta sin theta whole d theta. ఈ రెండు క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతే మిగిలిన 0. కాబట్టి ఇంటిగ్రల్ theta equal to 0 to pi by 2 0 d theta, that equal answer equal to 0. అదే వాడు అడిగింది, ప్రూవ్ చేయమంది. సో ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఓవర్ సి x square dx plus xy dy equal to 0. It is the solution. Okay.